everyone, this is Tritzi and today I am going to do everyday makeup look. So basically I'm going to create this look, and that's because I am good at this and that's the only makeup I know, and everywhere I go, anywhere I go, I just stick to this. Only thing I keep changing is sometimes I put some eyeshadows, not a very complicated one which anyone can do, and keep changing my lip shade. That's it. So I have washed my face, put some serum and moisturizer, and you can see my skin is full of acne scars since I have an acne prone skin and I developed acne when I was a teenager, and since then I've tried everything, but everything is temporary. It comes back every now and then. So first of all, I am using this Too Faced Prime and Peachy Matte Primer. Primer creates an extra layer between your skin and makeup. It helps makeup to last longer, smooth the skin surface and even out the skin tone. And I'm wearing my headband upside down. Awesome. Next, I'm using this NARS foundation all over my face and neck and blend it with this beauty blender. Next, I'm using this Start concealer for contouring. First, I'm highlighting using the medium tan beige on my upper cheekbones to add lip to face and brighten complexion, then my nose and center of forehead for brightening and slimming, brow bones to define arch of brow, and lower cheek area to brighten and blend, and last, the chin to soften jawline contour, which I am going to do after blending this. For contour, I'm using rich honey shade on my cheekbone to slim face and add depth, sides of my nose to make my wide nose appear thinner, temples to sharpen forehead, and jawlines to look sharp and hide the appearance of double chin. And also some on my lips, which is not necessary. You can skip this step. I don't know why I did, but I don't do this most of the time. Now it's time to blend. For baking, I am using this KKW baking powder and let it sit on my face for 5 to 10 minutes. Baking powder helps to set the base foundation and concealer and give a creaseless, flawless finish. Onto eyes, I am going to curl my eyelashes using this unknown brand eyelash curler since I bought a long time ago, so I don't remember from where I bought it and what brand it is. Next, I'm using the Start Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascara. I love this so much as it is shiny, lightweight, doesn't flake, and makes my lashes look long and dark. Next, I'm using this L'Oreal Black Velvet Liquid Eyeliner to create my cat liner. I have small eyes, so it makes my eye look bigger and sexier. There, you see? Now it's time to dust off the baking powder. Next, I'm using this e.l.f. highlighter to create that natural glow every time it reflects light. I'm using this NYX lipstick with an unknown shade as it is not mentioned in the product, so I don't know how to explain it. but I love the color. Finally, I am using Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist to lock my makeup for the day. You can use the mist anytime, anywhere, as it gives a hydrated glow and luminous complexion. So this is it, guys. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and if you have any suggestions regarding it, I'm happy to take. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's check my final look.